Hello students, how are you? Hope every one of you is fit and fine at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School, and today we are doing the sums of exercise 3.5. Yes students, in my last video tutorial I have told you regarding first sum of exercise 3.5. In that we have to do estimate each difference to the nearest tens, and we have to also find out the actual difference. Yes, now today in this video tutorial we will do the sum number 2 of the same exercise 3.5. Yes, and here in this video tutorial I am going to tell you estimate the difference to the nearest hundreds and also find the actual difference. Yes, here we have to firstly estimate the numbers to the nearest hundreds. Here I am going to recall you that what is the estimation to the nearest hundreds. Estimation, or we can say rounding off the numbers to the nearest hundreds. Yes, for doing this already we have done this in chapter 1. Yes, and here just I am going to recall what was that. Yes, for example, we are given a number that is 524 and we have to round off this to the nearest hundred. For this I have already told you 3 steps. Firstly we will write the places. हम उस प्लेस तक प्लेसेस लिखेंगे जहाँ तक हमने राउंड ऑफ करना है. यस, 100 तक करना है, सो वी विल राइट द प्लेसेस अप टू 100. यस, नाउ सेकेंड स्टेप क्या है? वंस प्लेस विल बी 0, टेंस प्लेस विल बी 0 एंड वी हैव टू राइट 100 प्लेस डिजिट. 100 प्लेस विल बी रिटन अकॉर्डिंग टू टेंस प्लेस डिजिट. अगर टेंस प्लेस वाला डिजिट 5 और 5 से ज़्यादा है देन 100 वाला नेक्स्ट हो जाएगा. If it is less than 5 then it will remain same. So here in this question we can see tens place digit is less than 5, so 100 place digit will be same, it will be 5. So we can say 524 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 500. Yes, let's do one more sum, that is 689. Firstly we will write the places ones, tens, 100. Yes, ones place 0, tens place 0 and 100 place will be next. Why it will be next? Because tens place digit is more than 5. tens place वाला digit 5 से ज़्यादा है, that is why 100 place digit will be next. So here we can say 689 rounded off to the nearest 100 is 700. Yes friends, now after this I am going to tell you how to do the sum number 2 of exercise 3.5. Here estimate each difference. Difference means the answer of the subtraction is called difference. Estimate each difference to the nearest hundreds. Also find the actual difference. Here I am going to tell you B part. Yes, A part you people will do by yourself. B part, second sum, B part. 710 minus 592. Yes, to the nearest 100. Yes, ones, tens, 100. Ones place 0, tens place 0 and 100 place will remain same. Why? Because tens place is less than 5. Yes, now the second number is 592 rounded off to the nearest 100. Yes, ones, tens, 100. Ones place 0, tens place 0, and 100 place will be next. Why? Because tens place is more than 5. So here when we will subtract these both, then we will get actual difference, and when we will subtract these both, then we will get estimated difference. So here firstly I am going to find estimated difference. Yes, ones, tens, 100. Yes, firstly 700 minus we have to subtract 600. When we will subtract, we got 100. Yes, so here after that we have to find out actual difference. Yes, in actual difference, 710 minus 592. Now see how to subtract. 0 minus 2 we can't subtract, so we will take 1 borrow from here. Here left 0 and it has become 10. 10 minus 2, 8. Now here 0 minus 9 we can't subtract, so we will take 1 borrow from here and it will become 10. 10 minus 9, 1, and here 6 minus 5, 1. Yes, now here we can see, here we got 100 and here we got 118. Not so much difference, so we will write the estimated difference is close to the actual difference. Yes, like this you have to do the sum number 2 a part also. Hope every one of you have understood this concept. Yes, so do a part of sum number 2 in your maths fair notebook. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead. God bless you.